Hey YouTube. Today's video will be me showing you how I wash my Malaysian loose wave, and this is the hair right to the hair. But if you don't know, this is a length 18, 20, and 22. So yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you guys like how I shampoo and condition the hair and stuff like that. But yeah, stay tuned. Okay guys, so as you just saw, I just washed the hair and everything, so like it's all sitting here wet. I'll just show you one of them. This is actually the 22, and you see how the wave pattern is. The wave is so beautiful, and like when it dries, it's like really full and nice. So this is the loose wave. This is how it looks, and I'll just like run my fingers through it. It's so soft. And yeah, and this is the hair, and that's it. That's the 22. This one's the 20. It's the same way. So beautiful. And this one is the 18. But yeah, so those are the bundles. And you saw the shampoo and conditioner I use. The reason why I use two different shampoo and conditioners is like that shampoo is my favorite and that conditioner is my favorite, so I just like decided to use them together. The shampoo, as you can tell, it said 0 like silicone, so like 0%, like it has no silicone in it. So it makes the hair like really soft and stuff, so I really love it. Trying to think, but yeah, so that's really about it.